As I always say, market will never go in one way. Right? Always there will be. So it is like, right? Just like in our life, every day won't be a happy day. Right? You will have some bad days. You will have some good days in the same way. Even though there is a positive news, we have good employment reports, right? Good Tesla earnings, but it doesn't mean stock or any futures will directly go in one way. Always it will go to a resistance. Again, there will be a pullback. Again, it will go up. So that's why when QQQ came all the way down, we entered the bull put spreads. We got 490, 492 bull put spreads, and they are making nice profits. So yeah, just waiting. Once this crosses this, then we can enter QQQ calls also. So again, right, as I always say, just if you watch QQQ chart, that is good enough. You can trade 10, 12 different tickers just using one chart, right? For example, if you are a stocks buyer, you can always buy TQQ stock. So TQQ will go all the way up. Or you can short SQQ stocks. If TQQ goes up, SQQ will go down. So yesterday it went all the way up, right? Today it will go all the way down. So you can short SQQ or you can go long on TQQ. So we got bull put spreads for TQQ and QQQ this morning or before 15 minutes. They should make huge profits in some time because again the same concept, right? Price came all the way down, right? This is like a channel, just like you have a premium zone, discount zone. The other way you can see it is you have a channel bottom, channel top. Price, there was a huge move during the overnight during Asia and Europe sessions. So price, right? It filled. There was a gap fill to be done. So price came all the way down, and now again it is going up. So market will always try to fix the balance between buyers and sellers. There were a lot of buyers. There were a lot of buy orders. So it will always try to come back and take the sell orders, take the satisfy the sellers or profit booking, whatever it is, right? Never think that, oh, because we have Tesla earnings, just the NQ will only keep going up and up, right? Unless there is a huge bad news like a coronavirus or third world war, stock will not keep going down. Unless there is very major good news, right? Stocks or anything will not keep going up. They will always go in the form of a waves, right? It will go up, come back, go up, come back. So we have to wait for proper levels and then we need to enter. So if it breaks that cloud, then yeah, QQQ can move much higher. Same thing, Tesla also, right? We had a good earnings. So Tesla, if you don't, you can buy TSLL, stock buyers. So it went all the way to 251. Then there was a pullback, and again it is trying to go up. But if you don't want to take Tesla, we can also get TSLL calls or TSL, or it already made a huge move. So yeah, we have much better opportunities, right? We got a buy at morning, so we got the calls, 247.5 call. Within few minutes, we made $2,000-3,000. Then again, there was a small pullback because there is a resistance here. It touched the resistance, gave a pullback, but we know overall market is bullish. So if your background is green, you got a sell signal, really you don't need to worry much, right? That means that is just a pullback, not a real sell signal. Then immediately, again, it started moving up. So you got a buy signal, green background, everything is green, right? All your SMA, CMAs are green, your RSI is green, your trend is green, your scalping cloud is green, your day trading cloud is green, If it breaks this resistance, then it may go all the way to nearly 12.4, 12.5. But because resistance is close, it is little risky, right? So it is always better we buy close to the bottom, sell close to the top. Even though there is a high possibility, but why to take risk when you have so many opportunities? We don't need to buy something when something is close to a resistance. But yeah, you can let us watch QQQ. Yeah, QQQ bull puts which we took yesterday should make profits, and also today morning whatever we took also should make nice profits. Just I'm waiting, right? These clouds will act as, so whenever these clouds are red and orange, they will act as resistance. So price initially tried to go up, then this acted as a resistance, push the price down. Again, buyers try to go up. This orange cloud acted as a resistance, pushing the price down. Now again, buyers are trying to go up. So if they break these two clouds, then it will be much more bullish. So we are just waiting for price to break this cloud. Then there can be a big, right? It can go minimum until 493.4 once it breaks that cloud. So that is our first resistance. If it breaks that also, then our next resistance is 494.95. That means we can, yeah. So again, bull put spreads are low risk, right? Because even if it stays choppy, also we'll make profits. If it goes up, we'll make profit. If it goes little bit down, we'll make profits. So that's why we already entered bull put spreads. Once it breaks the cloud, we can enter the calls and we can make nice profits. Generally, when QQQ or NQ goes up, your SPY and all ES also will move up. Yeah, they both move in the same direction. But generally, QQQ is double, right? It gives you double the profit compared to SPY. QQQ is all tech stocks, whereas SPY combines all different domains, right? Your health sector, your energy sector, everything. Whereas QQQ is more of tech sector, which is more volatile. That's why, right? If we just watch QQQ and NQ chart, that should be good enough. SPY will be little slow. So if you're a new trader, if you cannot get to the speed of NQ, then ES is an option, right? Or if you cannot take high risk, right? QQQ will come with high risk and high rewards. It will make huge profits if we enter at right time. But also it is so volatile. Suddenly it can go suddenly one big candle go down. But if we do it right, then it will make a lot of money. So yeah, basically the summary is we are waiting for. We already took the TQQ bull put spreads. We already took the QQQ bull put spreads. Both of them should make nice profits. We are waiting for to buy the calls. We also took NQ long, but yeah, I took somewhere here. There is a small pullback, but it should come back again. Again, as I said, there will be a lot of sell orders here. So though it is trying to push it down. But if buyers take the control, they should break this resistance and go all the way up. There is very high possibility for them to break it. You can see that all this time sellers were in control from 740 till now. Now buyers are taking the control. So if it starts pointing towards the upside, then there can be a big rate. It can go all the way to the top. So we are just waiting for it to point towards the upside. Then we can buy the calls. So if you're in options channel, you already know that, yeah, we entered QQQ and TQQ bull puts. Tesla also trying to break the resistance. If Tesla breaks that 251 resistance, then it can go to 255 to 56. So that is a strong resistance. If it breaks, then we can enter either calls or bull put spreads. If it enters that, if it breaks the resistance. As of now, it is looking very bullish, right? There is a lot of bullish momentum, right? So if you know the colors, right? If you see a lot of green on your chart, right? This is completely green. This is completely green. Your P5 line is green. Your background is green. Then that means it is very, very bullish. You don't ever try to short it or buy puts, right? Even though it is close to the top, until your background becomes red, minimum your half of this table should be red to buy the puts. Otherwise, right, there can be only small pullbacks, but they are not a real, right, a real place for the sell orders. Both buyers and sellers are, there is some consolidation. Buyers are trying to take it up, and Bitcoin is going so much. So yesterday itself, we discussed that it will be a good day for coin, MSTR, all these things. So coin moved nearly 7%, hut moved 3%, MSTR moved 7%, CLSK, Riot, coin, everything, all the crypto is very, very strong. So we got a buy signal for coin or CONL, which is the ETF for coin. Just like TSLL is for Tesla, CONL is for coin. So when you take these ETFs, your profits will be double, right? For example, Tesla moved 17%, TSLL moved nearly 34%, right? It is like 2x ETF. If it makes $10, your TSLL will make $20. In the same way, losses also will be double. So yeah, if we are very confident, we can go with these ones, right? With the ETFs, CONL also same thing. So if we get a buy signal, right? Most of this table is green, but we got a buy, but the background is red. So there might be a small pullback. If the background turns green, we can go and enter calls with CONL. The same way, MST are also moving good. If we get a pullback, then we can enter MSTR calls. We should wait for a pullback whenever. If Tesla can break this, then QQQ can go much higher. KTX, not a sell, but right, you should not buy puts or you should not short the stock because overall your trend is very bullish, right? It might be only a small pullback. If if we get a buy signal again on VKTX, then again we can buy enter the calls. Right? Overall RSIs, EMAs, everything is green. Trend is green. So your sell will be only a profit booking, only a small pullback. It will go a little bit down and again go up. Right? What can be the resistance for this one? Resistance. It can go all the way to nearly $79. So it has more potential. If Tesla breaks 251, then we have a huge sell order block here. 260, around 260, 261. So if you can find a Tesla next time, right, whenever there is any bad news or any drop, then 230 is a good time to buy Tesla. Again, it can go back to 260 whenever it comes to 230. We are watching if Tesla can break this resistance or not. Was sure here we have approximately, right, you can see it is in a range, right? It is in a consolidation because it made such a big move, right? So whenever stock makes a huge move, right, all this time buyers were in control. It made big move. After certain move, it will go into a consolidation. That means both buyers and sellers are equal. We have equal number of buyers and sellers. Again, after that consolidation, again buyers took the control. That means it broke that range. Buyers took the control and again it went all the way up. Now sellers took the control. Not really, because if you see these type of candles, that means, right, you have a red border. That means slowly it is turning to bearish. But before you saw the red candles, immediately again buyers took the control. Now again right, trying to become bearish. But we have to see if it can break it, then minimum we can go to 256 to 260. So as of now, it is forming, right? It is in a choppy zone, consolidation zone. If it breaks and goes towards the upside, we can buy calls. Or if it breaks and goes towards the downside, we can buy bear calls, spreads for coming week or something. But yeah, for now, we can wait for some more time. Right? Whenever you have these good stocks, you can also create a alert. So VKTX, whenever there is a buy, next buy signal, right now there is a small pullback, but we want to buy it whenever we get a next buy. So you can create an alert. You can go here, create an alert. Whenever you receive a buy signal alert, then we can go and buy the calls. Same thing for Tesla also. MSTX is also same thing for MSTR. This is the ETF, 1.75x ETF. That means it will make, the MSTR makes $1 profit. This will make 1.75 times profit. So we can create an alert saying like, okay, whenever MSTX, we get a buy signal. Now it went all the way up. Now there is a small pullback. There are a lot of buy orders here. Either it should reverse from here or it will come to this cloud. This cloud will act as a support. So there will be a lot of buy orders in this, right? All the big players, they will use this spot to keep their buy orders. So if price comes here and we get a buy signal, we can enter calls again on MSTX. Same thing, coin also moved huge, nearly 7% this morning. There is a small pullback now. There are buy orders here. If we get a buy signal, again it will go back to the top. So we need to get a buy and our background should be green. Then we can make nice profits with coin or CONL. Same thing with Sophie, right? If you are a stocks trader, you can buy whenever we get a right. It went so much this morning, right? Nearly 10-15%. Now there is a small pullback, right? Because the trend is so bullish, never buy the puts. But unless you see some 2 million, 3 million sell order here, otherwise it is just a small pullback. So now I want to wait for the buy signal. Whenever I get a buy signal, I can buy the stock, I can buy the calls, we can make nice profits. Same thing with MSTR. Now, yeah, we are waiting for our customer is trying to break. Most of the crypto stocks moved so much in the pre-market. All those are giving a small pullback now. So we want to get on the next step. Whenever we get a buy signal, we can buy Riot, we can buy MSTR, we can buy coin, we can buy uh, CLSK. So all these are right. If you look at the change percentage, today they moved Tesla moved 34, TSLL moved 34%, VKTX moved 18%, MSTX moved 10%. Right, all these are bullish stocks. But you don't want to buy them at the top, right? You see that, oh, it is moving good. Don't buy at the top. Always wait for a pullback. Right? As we know, price will never keep going up. There will be always a pullback. So wait for the pullback. And then if you get a buy signal, if your trend is green, if all these are green, then you can buy the calls, buy the stocks, and make nice profits. Right? In the same way, there are some stocks like DJT. Right? Yesterday we discussed DJT will go down, right? Because there was a huge sell order block. It was in a premium zone. So when you see the stocks which are bearish trend, you don't buy them, right? You wait for the sell signals. For example, NEM dropped all the way from $56 here. If you get a buy, right, it may go a little bit up and again it will drop. So you wait for the sell signals. So I can go here, I can I can say sell alert. Whenever there is a sell, I want to buy the puts. Whenever there is a sell on DJT, I want to buy the puts. So it came all the way down. Again, there is a buy, but it may go a little bit up. And again, right, there are a lot of sell orders here, sell orders here. So price try to go up. There are sell orders sitting in the cloud. So price came all the way down. Now buyers are trying to break this resistance, go here, and then again there will be a lot of sell orders. Then again price will come down. So don't buy puts here. Always wait for it to touch the resistance. And then if you buy the puts or you short the stock, you will make nice profits. So because it is a bearish one, right? What is the color which we see? Majority of the color on the chart is red. The clouds are red. Most of the table is red. Your TI line, right? Your T5 line is red. That means your focus should be to short it, to buy the puts, or to do the bear calls. When measure, right? Here the change percentage is red. When everything is green, your chart is green, your focus should be only calls. Tesla trying. QQQ is also trying. Buyers will take control on QQQ. Because it already made 17-18% move already. So in morning we already made profits because there is very little room, right? Even if it breaks it, again you have a major sell orders, right? Some sell orders here. So unless there are more buyers, it may go here and again drop. So by the time you buy it and you, unless you are very quick scalper, it is little risky. That's why I'm thinking not to take Tesla calls or Tesla pull puts, even though it is looking very bullish. Most probably it will break this resistance and go here and again drop. Let us look at notifications. So you created all the notifications. Now, if you see any notification, right? For example, let us go to Baidu. We got a buy alert. So I'm enabling the chat. You have to tell me if you think if that is a good one to buy or not. So do you think we should buy calls or buy the stock here? for Baidu. What do you think by looking at the chart? Right? Do you think it is very good setup or little risky? Yeah, right. If you start commenting, you'll remember these things forever, right? That's why I'm trying to ask. Ask so that you will analyze it. You will become independent. So we got a buy alert. Do you think we should go buy the stocks or buy some 90 call or 89 call? Right, exactly. Most of the right. If you see the chart, by looking at the chart, it was bearish most of the day. Right, majority of the color is bearish. Your table is bearish. Just now we got our cloud is still bearish. So it is not really a perfect setup. Right, you have risk involved. Right, maybe once it breaks it, we can think about it. Or once your 50% of this table becomes green, we can think about it. But as of now, it is a risky one. So better you avoid. You have thousands of stocks. You don't need to just worry about some. So KWeb also it is in a consolidation. Same reason, right? Just like Baidu, KWeb, all these Chinese stocks. You got a buy, but everything is red here. Your clouds are still red here. So still risky. It is just to come in trying to break the consolidation. It was in a small range, slowly, but yeah, it is not a perfect setup. Now you got Sophie. Right? You got a sell signal, but your majority of the table is green. And overall, right, when you see the watch list, you just read out the names or you see what are these. So, or whenever you receive an alert, you see is it a bullish or bearish ticker? Okay, it is a bullish ticker. I received a notification for a sell signal. My cloud is right bullish. My table is majority is bullish. So it is better you ignore that sell signal. Right? It might be a small pullback and immediately buyers may take the control. So wait for only buy signals on the bullish tickers. Right? Don't just okay see okay red background sell. Let me buy the puts or let me short it. Right? It comes with just if you spend some time, it comes with practice. But now DJT, we already discussed. But again, majority of the chart is red. Right? We got a buy signal, but as I told you, all this you will have lot of sell orders here, sell orders at the EMA 200. So it will go here and then break come down, right? So you don't have much gap between this cloud and this cloud. So better instead of buying, we know that by looking at this thing, you know that it is a bearish ticker for the day. Or by looking at the chart, you know majority of the color is red. That means it is bearish for the day. So better you wait for the sell signal. Don't take a buy, right? You got a buy when the background is red. That means the trend is still bearish, but you got a small pullback. So it is only a small pullback. That means if you buy it, you are paying for commissions, it will just go up and then drop. So you have to avoid these type of opposite signals to the trend. The trend for today is bearish for DJT, so I'll only focus on the sell signals. Then we got for NVDL, we got a buy signal. Mm, NVDL is an ETF, but again, majority of the table is red. Still, right? Not the clouds are red, so better give some more time. NVDL is like it is in between, right? If it is not very bullish, very bearish, it is like a choppy ticker today, right? If it is just 0.003, 0.001, it is a choppy. That means right? Either it should be, right, when you see the change percentage, it should be very bullish or it should be very bearish. But if it is somewhere with 0.001, that means it may not move much. It may, today it might be a range day. It again, as you know, if you go to beta, go to 1 hour time frame, okay, it shows the lines are close to each other. But yeah, so if you also see for QQQ, the lines are close to each other. That means there will be a big trend, big up move or big down move. There will be, right. It won't be choppy. There should be a big move in the QQQ also today. So yeah, Tesla is moving good, but yeah, because of the reason, yeah, broke the resistance. But we are still holding our bull put spreads, or yeah, some of bull put spreads. Basically, your bull put spreads give more and more profits. Your QQQ is also moving up again. If you see a patch of red, patch of green, patch of red, patch of green. So as of now, right, because overall today is a bullish day because of Tesla, because of unemployment reports. But it made a huge move overnight, right? By morning, it made nearly 300-400 points move up. Yesterday, it went down 600 points. Today, it moved 400. So sellers were trying to short it, right? They want to, because market moved so much, they want to short and they want to make money. And buyers are trying to take it up. So that's why there is some consolidation here. Once it breaks the cloud, then there can be a nice move. So that's why we are waiting for that, right? Otherwise, it is just we got a sell, we got a buy. Again, it came down, again, it is going up. So we are just waiting for price to break these clouds. Then there can be a big move on QQQ, right? We can, so market makers brought it below the pre-market low. So a lot of people will think, right? If it goes below the pre-market low, they will think, oh, it is bearish, and they will do the shorts. They will bring it to pre-market low and then again trying to take it up. They will take all the way to above pre-market high, and again they will bring it down. Right? When, because generally the tendency is if price goes below pre-market low, the tendency is they will think it is a bearish day for QQQ. Or if it goes above pre-market high, they think it is bullish day. So market makers will try to bring it down, and then immediately everybody will short it. All the retail traders will short it. Then again they will take it up. Or when they take it all the way to the top, retail traders will buy here. Then they will bring it down. So now, yeah, within next 5 minutes, we will see this. We can already our bull puts TQQ, QQQ making nice profits. If it breaks this, we can buy QQQ calls. QQQ 492 call for Monday. QQQ options. Or we can buy for Friday. 492 calls. Around 2.16. 492 calls for tomorrow. QQQ 492 call at 2.15 for 1025. This one did a double bottom. Mostly buyers should wait your 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute RSI is above 50. 15 minute is also above 50. So buyers are gaining the momentum. They should break the cloud and it should go all the way up. Mm. So if anybody want, they can buy TQQ stocks. You can short SQQ stocks. Tesla also cost 252. But yeah, little risky. We can just focus on improve the resistance. 256 is possible. Yeah, MSTX we got a buy, right? It is overall very bullish ticker, green background, buy signal, green clouds. It might just because the candle is very big, we may have a small pullback. Let us wait for this line to turn to green. So QQQ is moving good. As I said, like if Tesla moves about 251, QQQ will gain more momentum. Okay. If the next candle forms here, then 493 is possible. We wanted to break this. Yes, yes, yes. Now this now let's do If anybody want to buy, they can buy this ETF $12.3. You should see minimum 12.5. Because lot of traders like Tesla stock. That's why generally, yeah, Tesla earnings can buy TSLL. So you can get TSLL full call at around 53 cents for this Friday. Mm. 12.77 is the resistance. VKTX, we got a buy, and it can go all the way to $75. Yeah, best we can do for VKTX is so I'm selling 72 put and buying 69 put for VKTX for November 8th. Selling 72 put and buying 69 put November 8th and collecting $160. With VKTX goes up to 75. If it stays above 72, then all the money is yours. Right? Overall, it is very bullish. This cloud is green, this cloud is blue. That means it is overall bullish. So maybe next candle will get the green background and then we can make nice profits. The call spreads are little far, so I'm buying your TSLL is making huge. Your Tesla also. Yeah. So you can buy the stocks or you can buy. If you bought some thousand stocks, that is already over $100. VQTX is also going up. Yeah, if this happens at the bottom, that is much better, but it already made a huge move. So that's why we took a bull put spread with 69.72 because very high possibility that it will go to 74.75 and all the premium collected will be yours. Yes, a little moving good. You can see that right. 244, we got nearly 130,000 orders. 248, 398,000 orders. And then all these are fair value gaps. It means even if price comes down, again they will push it up. So around this price where we have a lot of sell orders. Mm, weekly access, if anybody got the stocks, nearly $1.5 up. Your bull put spreads are making nice profits on VKTX. PSLL also making good profits. QQQ bull put spread making gains. Calls will take some time. Again, it did a little breakout and again came down. But again, buyers will try to take it up. As long as this line is green, we can hold it. If price goes below this line, then we can make the profits. 12.7 is where there are a lot of sell orders. So, right, if you want to take risk, you can hold until 12.7. You can trim some profits on TSLL. We are holding a bull put spreads on calls, everything. As I said, they will take it all the way up again because there was some negative news. There was some drop on QQQ, but it should. There was a PMI flash news. It's not a major news, but because of that, there was a small drop. But again, it should bounce back. Slow bouncing back. Very soon. It's a huge, right? Buy order block. That means more buyers are entering into the market. If they can break this one, there is a huge sell order here. If they break it, then they will go all the way to here. If they can break it, then they will go all the way to 490 plus. So, right, when you follow a systematic approach, so basically, whenever there is a background, green background, you get a buy signal. That is a good opportunity, right? When your table is green, and as long as this line is green, you don't need to worry about small pullbacks. Only when this line becomes red, and only when you start seeing this one red, that is where we need to worry, right? Otherwise, that is the most common problem for retail traders. You don't know when to book the profits, right? You book very quickly, we book the profits and we hold the losses for a long time. But when you have a systematic approach that, okay, as long as this line is green, I'll hold the calls or I'll hold the stocks, then you can hold it for a long time and make bigger profits. All you need to look at two, three top stocks for the day. That's it. Every day you can make $300-400 easily. Right? If you are looking at bullish stocks, wait for the buy signals. If you are looking at bearish stocks, wait for the sell signals. Right? Because these are the most bullish stocks for the day. Okay, wait for a buy signal. Right? Once market opens, generally if the price, if you get a nice buy signal above the pre-market high with a green background, that means that stock is very, very, very bullish. Right? It is not in a range or something. You got a nice buy signal much higher above the pre-market high. If you want, you just wait for one or two candles and then also. So this is a perfect setup where you have green background, clouds are green, table is green. Yeah, this one, yeah, if we'd have entered around 9 o'clock, this would have made 100% or more. But yeah, we already took 247.5 call, made profits in the morning, but the VKTX, right? Stock moved nearly $3 now. We got the buy signal. We know it is a bullish ticker. We got a buy, right? The background became green, the line became green, the box became green, the clouds are green and blue. It is a strong support area. And we know 75 is the resistance. So if we bought some 100 stocks, that is nearly $200 already. Right? Nearly we made 20% on TSLL. Right? Our bank gives 0.4% for entire year. Here, if you follow a systematic approach, we made 20% gains, right? Whether you bought 10 contracts, 20 contracts, 100 contracts, whatever it is, we bought for nearly 50 to 53 cents. Now it is nearly 61 cents. The 20% gain you made within few minutes. All we need is following a systematic approach. In PH, if SLR run all are bullish today, if we get a pullback, we can. So before Lotto, we sold some 90 puts, collected premium. So today, tomorrow, if it continues to run, that will also become a profitable trade. Or we can add whenever we get a pullback, we can add few more contracts and make that a profitable trade. Generally, if ENPH runs, then FSLR run. All these are solar stocks. So generally, they all move in the same direction. Mm, but, still, I think it may start going up now. So look at FSLR. This is also still not ready. Just still choppy. It's trying to go up and sellers are pushing it down. I'm still holding uh, this week ATX, and I took some profits on TSLL and holding remaining 50%. I'm also holding QQQ bull put spreads. QQQ also should move up again. Now this is a scanner which will help us, right? For example, if everything is green, that means that is very good for calls. If everything becomes red, generally good for put. Out of all the top stocks, Google, Amazon, Tesla, they are looking good. But we already have a few positions, so let us wait for this. So, right, without any indicators, if you see, right after earnings, price went up, some small pullback, 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 went up, some small pullback. So we need to maintain our emotions, right? That is most important in trading. I mean, once you understand, right, even though we got a sell, everything was green here, right? If you get a sell, your background is red. If everything or minimum 50% of it is red, that is okay. But you got a sell, everything is green, your cloud is green, your cloud. So that means it is generally a small pullback. It may not be really a big short opportunity. That's what you need to understand. Break resistance. So if it breaks it, then you can go to the 216. But do you think Tesla will break the resistance? Yeah, I'm holding everything from yesterday. Apple, Microsoft, SPX. They all should move into profits, right? Once, as I told you, that PMI news brought QQQ little down, but again, buyers are taking it up. So the QQQ calls we took, the QQQ bull puts we took today, and also what we took yesterday, everything should move into profits. Just we need to hold. So do you think Tesla will break the resistance this time? Or TSLL or Tesla? There is very high possibility. Right? When it comes to the resistance, if your candle is like an Indonesian candle, right? It's like a big wicket top, big wicket bottom. That means there is a high possibility for a drop. But here you see more like a bullish engulfing candle, right? It is a huge bullish candle, and your table is completely green, green background. And sellers tried to take it down, but immediately buyers took the control. They did not allow them to take it down. Immediately they came into action and again taking the price up. That means there is very high possibility to break this resistance and take it, right. This is where there are a lot of sell orders sitting. So buyers may try to take it all the way there. VKTX nearly $3 move. So this is our resistance, right? You have everything on the chart. So here also, if you see the right, if you see this very strong bullish candles, then it may break the resistance and still go up. nearly 30% on TSL. Uh, so it's most probably it should. I tried to break it, came down. Second time they were able to break it. The from red they were able to get. Now they are trying to break. So this also proves it. Then it can go straight. So then we have to rely to the rest of the consequence. It will go red. So and that's also